Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have come to Evangelion Kyoto Base. It's the very first attraction in the world that actually let us get on the Evangelion.
Something sounds cool. I remember we talked about this a couple of weeks ago on our podcast, right? This Week in Japan. It was quite big news when it happened.
Right.
But actually, I recently started watching Evangelion on Netflix.
Oh, really?
Not a big fan, but I started to get into it, so I'm pretty excited to check it out.
Right. So I heard we get to test the synchronization rate, which is essential to controlling Eva.
Yeah, I think yours is probably going to be a lot higher than mine.
I'll aim for 400% synchronization rate.
I'll aim for 1.
Let's
Well, yeah, it starts in a few minutes. We need to get going.
As this attraction is still technically under construction, a staff member led us around to the secret back entrance where we received our special Nerve ID cards. After a brief explanation of what to expect, we were then able to step onto the open palm of EVA 01 for an unforgettable photo opportunity. We were then able to watch a short show that replicates a battle from the series using audio effects, lights and water cannons that simulate attacks against the EVA.
We're gonna take the aptitude test as a new pilot of Evangelion, so let's go.
まずは QR コードをリーダーにかざしてボディスキャンゲートを通過してください。ではエントリーフラッグ目指して頑張って。今からパイロットの適正検査を。Body scan is completed.
So this is the EVA Aptitude Test, and as I'm not a massive knowledge base of Evangelion just yet, I'm going to let you take care of this one, Yasu.
Right.
And I'm going to copy your answers afterwards.
So the first one is, where is Third Tokyo located? It's easy. Kanagawa.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sekai.
Easy one.
Okay, next question.
When the umbilical cable that provides Eva with this electricity gets detached, how long can it remain active? I think it's either 3 or 5 minutes.
I want to say 2 minute 40 because it's so specific. But you're the man with the answers.
Yeah, but I feel like it was longer. Go for 5.
Sekai.
Yeah.
Nice.
With this being a life-size model of EVA 1, you'll need to climb a few stairs to make it all the way up to the entry plug on the top level.
So now I'm finally going inside the entry plug. I'm so excited.
Let's see what your score is.
Maybe I should go around the map.
Alright, so you went in the entry plug and now it's finally time to find out your score.
Yeah, synchronization rate.
Okay, let's do it.
How many?
Oh mate.
This one, 296%?
No, there's a decimal place, mate, right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Sorry, yeah.
No, this should be a mistake.
I know you're trying to fudge the
Let me try again.
I know you're trying to fudge the numbers, but
Should be a mistake.
malfunction.
Let's go.
Now it's time for a true Evangelion fan to get 100%.
We're still a noob. Let's see.
What's my synchro ritsu? Oh no, it's worse than yours. It's alright, I didn't have my hopes up. It's totally fine. Whatever.
With our abysmal scores, we both fell into the pilot in training category, which leaves me to wonder if anyone will ever be able to obtain the coveted Ace Pilots ranking.
So, slightly bad timing for the weather, Yasu. It's been so hot all day. It's been like 34 degrees, absolutely scorching hot. sunshine, and as soon as we went to take the first photo, the heavens opened as if two Evangelions were battling. It was very epic. It was so much drama though, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think this kind of it makes the experience better?
I think so. I think that's a good part of this Evangelion located outside, right?
Yeah. I don't want to be wet, but I feel like when you look at the photo and everything's soaking, and you can see like the paint on the Evangelion now, it's all like soaking wet and stuff, and the clouds are grey. It's a bit gloomy. It's really, I don't know, it's got a lot of it's got a lot of gloom to it, and a nice aesthetic, you could maybe say.
Yeah, I think it really looks more like real outside, because Evangelions are supposed to fight outside.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
They never fight indoors.
Yeah, true. So we're out in the elements, like a real Evangelion.
Right. Yeah, I feel like we've gone through like a tough battle with the bad angels.
Yeah, with a bit of water.
After all the excitement of riding on EVA 1, you can head over to the Nerve Cafe, which is serving some limited edition menu items, like these ice drinks that are named LCL after the red liquid that the Evangelions are submerged in, and a mysterious blue flavour called Koreba ii to moyo, which will turn to that classic Evangelion purple when you add the secret ingredient. So that was Kyoto EVA Base. Yasu, as the bigger Evangelion fan among us, what did you think?
Yeah, so I was, maybe it's a small detail, but I was quite impressed that the LCL was the actual liquid. The orangey color.
I think in the photos it looked like resin that had been set, but yeah, it was pretty cool, right?
Real liquid. And yeah, but at the same time I was a bit disappointed that the synchronization rate was below 30%. That's impossible, It's definitely
it was only one higher than mine.
Yeah.
And we all knew that I was going to get a bad one. So you must feel pretty devastated right now.
So did you enjoy it?
Yeah, definitely. Like I say, kind of a new fan to the series, but just the actual quality of the model was really cool. I don't know, I've seen these kind of big models of different characters before. Obviously, because it's brand new, everything was so shiny.
Yeah.
It sounds kind of stupid, but the detail was so good and clean, and I don't know. So hopefully that kind of keeps up as time goes on. Yeah, so we came today with limited edition tickets, but it will open up properly from the 3rd of October. So whenever you're next able to come to Japan, check out the website. We'll leave links down in the video description. And thanks for watching today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for new videos every single week. And until next time, thanks for watching, and see you again later.
See you again.